it's having the storage, automatic storage. If I define any variable with auto is the keyword which is used for auto storage class. Okay, not automatic. Remember this thing because we are calling it as a automatic storage class. But the keyword it will use to define a variable as a auto storage class is a auto. Okay, so now it is having the storage memory as a storage as a memory. Okay, the default initial value is an unpredictable value, I mean, or garbage value. Suppose if I return auto int I, okay, this will define, say, like that. I mean, I define in my variable I, integer variable I as a auto, so it will initially will contain some garbage value. Okay,
this is same as this, no?
Yeah,
Same.
that's why I am telling no.
Yeah.
If you didn't specify something, okay, I will tell you this. One more scenario will come in register storage class. Exactly what compiler will treat. Now you will, at the time you will understand. So auto, now this will define as a garbage, unpredictable value in the sense a garbage value. Okay, and see the scope. I mean, default initial value is unpredictable. I told. Storage is memory. Okay, remember auto storage class where it will store in memory, not in CPU registers. So storage is memory. Default initial value is garbage value, and scope local to the block in which the variable is defined. Local to the block in the sense, see this is the block. Once you define variable here, in the sense this value of the variable will exist within this block only. This is called local to the block. And the life till the control remains within the block. Life in the sense the value of the variable, life in the sense within this block only. Once the life, I mean, compiler cursor comes out of this loop in the sense the life is gone. I mean the value of variable, I mean, I is, I mean, died, I can say, not died exactly. I mean, it cannot be used anywhere.
It will not hold the same value as others.
Yes, we can say like that. So like that. So the small example here, I will tell you how it will hold garbage values. Okay. Where is this one? Okay, leave it. I will give whatever example I am having. Okay. See, I am taking a main class. Okay. Or I mean, sometimes we no need to write. Okay, anyway, I will tell you this is a hash include. Okay, hash include, correct now?
Include serial.
Hash include. Okay, stdio dot h. Okay, that is enough for the right now. Okay, main function. When it comes to here, I am defining two variables inside main. Okay, auto int I comma j variable. So I want to print exactly what these variables will hold. Okay, yeah, print f. Okay, printf statement. Then so I want to print in a new line. Okay, instead of, I mean, it will take a new line. Okay, so backslash, where is backslash? This one only, no? This one, no? Backslash, right? Backslash n. I have two integer variables, so I have to mention two percentage d space percentage d comma I. Okay, I comma z. So like this. So this is the thing. So now I have to save. Okay, F2 for saving. So it will initially automatically take cpp dot cpp name, but we need to provide some name. See, it is taking C turbo C bin directory. Okay, I told no whatever program you will.
It's over. Still, how long it will take?
Yeah, it will take. I mean, you want to move from?
No, I just wanted one chair.
Yeah, it's 4 part exactly. Right now we moved, so it will take another 1 hour.
Another 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. See.
Okay, sit down. See the range.
Ariyar, sit.
I too.
See, I am giving auto.c, okay, because auto.c I am giving, okay, because for remembering purpose, what is this exactly, okay, so I am saving that dot c, remember.
Why
Okay.
it is always monomia?
Yeah, no name.
No name in the sense it is asking to
name.
give some name for you,
Oh.
okay.
In the cell also when you save register number without assigning a name.
Yeah, correct, no?
Yeah.
So now it is got saved. So you know, right? Simply, I mean, Alt F9, Control F9, Alt F9. What you are telling yesterday?
Same.
Control F9, Alt F9. So one warning it is throwing. We no need to bother about warnings. So
Why?
function should return a value. Auto int. What is exactly it? Auto int item array. Give me something.
It's not visible.
The column.
Yeah, I don't know how to write a C program.
Percentage.
You all know how to write a C program?
Which program? Tell me.
C program.
Listen, see simple things.
Simple one.
Yeah,
Like a
simple
perimeter
addition.
and sum and
Perimeter. Okay,
odd even. You all the.
if you know logic, you can write just one.
I don't know in that.
See, it's actually I will use.
You can run right.
Okay, yes, yes.
If you forgot all the things. You know.
See, I will give here clear screen before that. Okay. Okay, clear.
CC. Add that. No, I used to sleep at class in the earlier, and this sir will throw catch up in the morning.
Actually, I was the first bencher, but still, I was not having any interest in.
I defined two variables int I and j. Okay. It has to return some value. So, but I mean, initially I mentioned actually I didn't give any initial values, but I defined as auto. So what I am telling, auto, if I used auto, it will assign garbage values to
I and j.
For I
the
and j.
variables.
So that we will see right now. Okay.
So you want clear screen. CLR, SCRNS.
Okay, leave out this thing. We will just look for what values it is throwing. See, some garbage value. Some value. See here, I mean program he mentioned some 1 to 1 or 1 to 1 1 to 1. Whenever you execute, I mean now I will execute the same program. I mean on different compiler it will give different values. Okay, so like that. So it will throw some garbage values for you like that. So now you understood the concept. See, initial value it is defining as a unpredictable value. So if I read same program, if you written at your home, you will get some other value. So that is called a garbage value or unpredictable value. Then scope is local to the block. Whatever I mean the value I defined here. Right now, what I will do? Where is this? Here I will define some value here. Okay. Now we'll check it out.
This stored as 30 and
See, debugging I told no. See, like that I mean debugging in the sense F7 is the function which is used to debug. Okay, step by step execution. If you want to watch variables, whatever variables you assigned here, go to watch window, then give watch. Okay. So what variables you are having I and j, right? So double click on this green button, give I value here. Okay. Then press OK. Then it will ask for click again bottom here. Then it will show one more variable like that. So give j here. Okay. Now you again you put your cursor here. Then debug. So see. Whenever compiler cursor is here, it will show garbage values. Once it moves to here, it will show the values of I and j it is having. Okay. Now you are returning here. So F7. So because see here it is showing undefined symbol I and j because my cursor is at the here, right? So that's why that scope of the variable is lost.
Okay.
Got it? No? That is why he is telling the local to the block in which the variable is defined. Got it? No? I will show one more time. Okay. See 30 and 40. Because previous it is showing function should return some value.
Yes.
Because main function should return some value. Previous it is not returning. It is throwing some garbage value. Because of that we are getting function should return a value. Now I defined a initial value for I and I mean integer variable a and b, and it is showing 30 and 40. Now if you want to check it out, again if you want to debug it, press F7. So now see, now my cursor is at the main. It is just entering into the block.
Yeah.
Okay, once it is go to the auto, these variables will change to some garbage value. Okay, see now it is assigned some garbage value.
Yes.
Okay, then once a compiler leaves the statement, it will whatever value I assigned there, that initial value, that will be assigned to each and every variable I and j. Now you look at, got it? No?
Yes.
Okay, previous whatever garbage values will be there, that will be cleared by clear screen, and whatever values you are having, that will be printed in next statement. Okay, now my printf statement is having I and j, I need to print. So these 30 and 40 will be printed back. One second, I didn't come out right. The loop. Because still I and j is showing 30 and 40. I didn't come out of the loop. Once I come out of the loop, in a sense, I can only see values. See, now you observe, once I come out of this loop, it will show undefined symbol I and j. Now it is, loop. Okay. Now I came out of the loop. Okay. Now it is showing undefined symbol. That is called life. The control, till the control remains within the block, which the variable is defined. The variable's value having its life. Okay.